we just have to do what we're used to doing. So we have 1 plus n. N is the power. So 3 over 2. Oh, I don't need a bracket there. Hang on. 3 over 2 times x, but x is 3x. Plus n, 3 over 2, times n minus 1. So 3 over 2 minus 1 is a half. Times x squared. All over 1 times 2. Yeah, which is 7 times by half. And we only want the x cubed term, so we need one more. So we have n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 this time. So 1.5 minus 2 is minus a half. All times by x to the power of 3. So that's 3x in our case. Then divided by 1 times 2 times 3. Now we just simplify it. So we have 1 plus 9 over 2x plus 3 times 1 is 3 times 3 squared. So 3 times 9 is 27 times 1. All over 2 times 2 times 2. Plus the last one, we have a 3 times 1 times minus 1 times 1 times, sorry, 3 cubed. So that's 3 to the power 4 essentially. So we have 81 but negative. All over 2 cubed, which is 8 times 6. X cubed. Yeah? So this is the formula that we're going to be using in the A2. Now, let's do one more. So, how are we going to do this? You got it. Those of you that have watched the Pascal's triangle video will know exactly what to do, which is we're going to take out the power of 2 to the power of minus 2 from the expression and just figure out this. So we can expand that over here. So we need to, no, that's not going to work. I'll run out of space. So we've got to take out a power of a quarter at the end. And we need to just explain like we normally would. So we have 1 as our first term, plus n, which is minus 2, times x, which is minus x over 2, plus n times n minus 1. So minus 2 times minus 3, x, to the power of 2, all over 1 times 2. Plus minus 2 times minus 3 times n minus 2. So we have n minus 1, n minus 2, plus x over 2 cubed, all over 1 times 2 times 3. If we were to do another term, which I haven't asked in the question, but I'm going to do just to make it clear, it would be n minus 1, n minus 2, and n minus 3, all over 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, and x to the power 4. Yeah, but we haven't been asked that, so I'll get rid of that. So what we're left to do now is simplify. So I have a quarter of 1. And then minus 2 times minus x over 2 is plus x. Now I've got cancellation here. That 2 cancels with that 2, and the minus cancels with that minus. So I've got a minus x squared, which is x squared. Times 3 all over 2 squared. Yeah? Next one, the last one. Let's cancel out where we need to. The 2 cancels. And the minus cancels. And that 3 cancels. Yeah? So we have a minus x cubed is negative, but times by this negative will make it positive again. I've got a 4x cubed all over 2 cubed, which is 8. And now we can simplify. So now I can multiply that 2 to the power minus 2 that I took out at the beginning here. Yes, which is the same as 1 over 4. So we've got a quarter plus a quarter x plus 3x squared over 16. And then obviously 4 over 8 is a half, and a quarter times a half is an eighth. Boom. So I only wanted up to the x cubed term, so that's it. Job done. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this sequence of videos that takes us from essentially further maths GCSE into the AS level and then the A level. Yeah, so this is the complete course of the A level at Excel that you'll need to be able to expand Binomial expansion. I've been Raz. See you soon.